You are going to love the 2018 Rogue Sport. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: roof rails, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find rear view camera, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, turn-by-turn navigation, satellite communications, Nissan Connect, satellite communications, cruise control, trip computer, electroluminescent instrumentation, multifunction display, child safety locks. Your new ride is just a phone call away.